Hello, hello. So I was going through some stuff and I found the picture that I wanted to look at. So this is me. There we go. There I am. Hello, hello. This is the picture right here. This is the couch, right? This is the area of focus. So what I'm gonna do, go here, maybe over, down, right there. And then what I'm gonna do is bring this up. I won't talk or say anything. I'll just let this play. It's gonna go slow, but just look at where, I guess this, I don't know if you can see my mouse, but the right side of the couch where that upturned red cup is. Alright, so here we go. That one was harder to see. Oh, 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 hold on. No, back here. Actual. Like, maybe just when coming out and then it comes back in. Go back right here. Better shot. Gonna keep it going slow. Right there. There. And he goes down. Oh, right there. What I'm gonna do is try to back this up back foot where you can sort of see it eventually locked in. See, it's right there. Better spot. Okay, so going back here. Oh, why is it still stuck on the beer pong table? Over here. But I get ah ah ah. Is that okay? No, that is not okay. I just don't understand yet. Oh, okay, a little bit further, a little bit further. Right here. Ah, yeah, right there. Okay, so now I gotta wash it back from this side because I guess I just missed a little bit. Little guy. Oh, okay. Now we just need to zoom a smidge. I don't know how to actually zoom in a little too far. Zoom in on the video. Is that good? I think that might be good. Alright, back it up. Here we go. there. I'm still not in the app. I have no idea if I'm actually getting it. I want to see when he first gets in the house now. We've seen this side of coming in that has a different reflection. This right when he's going up the stairs. It's right here. And then comes all the way up to right. Yep. Oh, and then right here. The leg being back it up right here. Where the box area. Here look up a leg. Put all this right here where this is. Oh. Cups look different too. Okay, here we go. I've now figured it out. There. Now, maybe I'll be able to do it. We're gonna back it up once more. Let's going. You see how it's all glistening right here by the yellow box, right? Oh, wait, I guess I could come all the way over here. Right here on the floor by the yellow box. It's right here in front of the floor. Same exact place. Look, see, look. Here's the yellow box. Right there, see? Yellow box. Come back down. Look at that. Oh, Go back over here. A little spot. Oh, just kind of match that. That'd be like there. I think just that is here. I think that's the best size. Maybe the closest. We can get a little bit closer. Right. No. Wish that this top one, the picture was from a little bit of a different angle. But here we go. There's the picture. There's the spot. Maybe I showed it correctly. I hope I did. I tried to show both angles. I tried to show it from the window, it coming in. Here you can actually see it from this angle where it's a little bit harder because it's at your back. When he's actually coming in, you can see it. Take care. Bye bye.